What's up, team, and welcome back to the Bull Ring. Today on 4th of July, the stock market is closed, so I thought I'd give you the top 10 stocks for you to watch in the next 30 days, guys, because this is a time now where we need to be looking at the weekly charts. Okay, where is the stock going to go? Everything is just overbought and everything is in resistance, but somehow it continues to go up. All right, so the first one to talk about is Tesla. Tesla has been in a gigantic resistance and now it is breaking out, guys. Okay, so look at how many times it actually had resistance and did not get above this resistance trend line, and now it's getting there. Okay, so how far is Tesla going to go? Number one question I always get asked, and my answer is to the moon, of course. Well, here's the next level that needs to be tested, guys, and it is a very interesting level. Okay, right at the 300 level, guys. Okay, and let me show you something. This is a level that analysts are saying Tesla will make it to 300. Well, of course, right? That's an easy one. They already got past a couple of resistance down here, and now there's nothing holding it back. If we were to go on the daily, you would see there's nothing holding Tesla back. So Tesla will make it to 300 anytime there is a big catalyst, guys. And then you come get an analyst that says, oh, I see it at 300 now. Of course, it's going to get up there. I mean, come on, we were at 246. Okay, 250 area yesterday. Okay, I could see the stock getting there within a week, guys, within a week. So be careful with your entries. Okay, make sure you have a hedge. Okay, me personally, okay, I'm waiting, and don't get me wrong, I'm jumping in there and buying some calls, but here, okay, I am going to short Tesla, guys. Okay, this is all hype. Okay, a company does not go up 20% or more just because, wow, you had a shitty earnings and then now all of a sudden, oh, well, we sold a little bit more cars than what we thought, but we're still under. They're still under year over year. So they got to do something big. And that big thing coming, guys, is August 8th. Okay, August 8th. Put that on your calendars. That's when they're going to introduce the robo taxi. And guess what's going to happen to the stock again? If it makes it down here, I could see it coming back up and trying to test this line here. Okay, now, can it make it past 300? Yeah, but who would buy it way up there? Okay, who's going to buy it with no money? They're not making money right now, guys. So be careful. And one last thing to point out, guys, if you are holding Tesla, we do have a flip of the cloud here. Okay, this flip did happen on June 24th. Okay, and we are still going up, like I said, 300. So you have a lot of good things on your side on the weekly level. Just have to be patient. Now, remember, learn how to hedge. So if it does go the other way, you're not getting stuck. What the heck is going on with NVIDIA, guys? This is a scary story. Be careful. Now, great company. They're doing great things, but check this out. After they did the stock split, guys, okay, they did reach a nice level up here. Okay, they got up to 140, and now they've just been dropping and dropping. Now, they did not hit the support area, and this is an area that we've been talking about at the bull ring. If they go under 117, 116, it's going to be sayonara for a while. I'm looking at 106 area, guys. Let me raise this arrow just a bit so we're not freaking out. Okay, this is the 106 area. Okay, it could make it there. Okay, now there was some nice push going on yesterday, and I liked it. Okay, because again, another analyst said that we are going to 140 again. Now, there's analysts that say that Tesla, okay, and NVIDIA can really boom. They're saying, and I'm going to show you what this looks like on the chart. Okay, they're saying 250, guys. Okay, like it didn't even fit. Let me bring this down. So analysts are saying they could see it at 250 in 1 year. And there's so many haters right now that want to see NVIDIA drop, and they are shorting the heck out of it. Okay, so this is a key level in here, guys. Okay, mark off your 117, 118 area as support. We lose that, we can come back down to 106, guys. Okay, not a big deal. Maybe $10 drop. Remember, you add a couple zeros to that, or 10, that's $100 drop back in the day, and it's already down a lot. I'm talking about 200. It went all the way down to $200 drop if it was still over 1,000 like it was before. But remember, a $5-10 drop, that's a big deal if it continues going down. So NVIDIA for now is showing to be bullish. Let's see what happens tomorrow morning. All right, now we got one of the big bulls in the house still. We have Apple, and Apple is actually in a nice channel. Okay, and it's been just super bullish. Found original support. Okay, nice trend here. That was a support, came up, came back down, did find support, and now it is at the trend line. Can it do this? Yeah, maybe 50% here, and then we can continue to see it on a bull run. They are calling 230 for Apple. I saw one analyst say 290. So you're talking about to the moon, guys. Can Apple do it? Yes. It's going to have to pull back. There's a lot of people that are going to want to sell. Okay, so don't be surprised if this gets a pullback. And if I turn on my indicator, guys, you can see that Apple is in a cloud flip. Okay, we did turn green and we are continuing. I mean, this thing is super bullish right now and it's just kicking butt. So if you are considering Apple, I think it's a good long-term investment. I think it's going to get up there. There's a lot of things they're talking about with Apple that are still not playing out, and they're going to play out. So don't miss out on Apple. I'm in Apple, just so you guys know. All right, next we have Meta. Meta is one that I am watching religiously. Okay, I wanted to enter up here, but I waited, and look at the drop we had, guys. I'm glad that I waited. I've been playing Meta all the way down here, played some strangles here during the earnings, and it went nice. Okay, I did not expect this big drop. I suspected it would happen, but look at, they had a lot of support here, and then they just lost it. Okay, no big deal, no harm done. Now let me show you a couple things you want to look at when you want to re-enter Apple. Okay, I'm sorry, Meta. Okay, and this is my Fibonacci, guys, and this is the golden zone area. Okay, it is past the golden zone. Once you get past this area and you continue up, this is a full reversal. If it would have rejected here and continued down, then I would have entered in a short, but it did not. Okay, key levels here, guys. There's two key levels, and I marked them off. And check this out. I mean, you cannot have the more perfect support area. This is probably the best time to enter a stock when it comes down and bounces off support and goes through some of the previous resistance and retests, okay, support a few times, and then now it looks like it wants to continue up. Okay, understand how to enter the stock, guys. You need an indicator that can give you a green signal. If I put this on the 1 minute, on the 5 minute, you'll be able to see that it's not hard to enter this stock. So for now, I am bullish on Meta. Okay, Meta is not giving up. I can see the stock at $700 or more in a couple of years. All right, now we have Amazon, guys. Amazon did catch me by surprise. I did not think that it was going to continue to pull up. I thought once it did this, it was going to come up and then continue back down. Nope, instead it found support and it started building up, and look, it kept testing this trend line, and sure enough, here we are. My expectations and my hope, okay, hope is not a strategy, but I hope it does this. I hope it tests this again and starts coming up, because I am going to enter. I would love to have some longs on Amazon. If you guys read up on what they're doing, they have some excellent things going on. This is my expectation of Amazon. They are in a nice channel. It almost looked like it was a rising wedge, but this is a channel. Same thing though, guys. At some point it has to pull back. It doesn't have to pull back all the way back down here like some people expect it. Why? Because this is an all-time high for this stock. And what happens when you have an all-time stock, there is, okay, and you guys ready for this? There is a lots of money that is going to protect this stock from going down. So I don't think that you're going to short it big time in this area. There's going to be a lot of people protecting, because if I bought 100 shares and I can afford to buy another 1,000, every time it goes down, I am buying another 100 and another 100. And this is how they protect it. So you're better off being bullish on the stock if you are into Amazon, guys. And I did want to review Google. Okay, Google is like the little lost puppy right now, guys. Nobody is paying attention to Google. They're doing some amazing things. Super bullish. They're in a rising wedge. Okay, and they are coming back. They are the comeback kid, except that this pattern here, okay, is something I usually see happen. Now, I don't expect it to go down a lot. I can see it come back down to this area and create some nice support and then bounce and continue on its way up, because everyone else is doing it. But there is a trend here, guys, and I'm going to point it out and show you. Okay, I'm going to use an info line. Look at this. Okay, we have a tighter downfall in here. Okay, and we do not have one time when it went above. Okay, so it has to touch this line again if you want to stay bullish. It has not touched it again. I think that Google is due for a pullback. Still very bullish stock, guys. That's another stock that if you have a portfolio, you should consider if you're going to hold stocks for 1 to 5 years. All right, here's a stock I like, guys. You know, Super Microcomputer. I mean, if you're not familiar with the company and you're saying like, who the heck are they? Well, they're the big boys, guys. NVIDIA is putting all their chips in a lot of computers. Guess who is selling the computers? It's these guys here. Okay, now this is a bull flag, guys, on the weekly. Okay, now something that did not happen that should have happened, and I can tell you, I think I know why. Let's just go halfway. We'll be safe in here, and we'll do our measured move, and we should be headed to 1231, but we did not. Why not? Okay, there's a lot of stuff going with NVIDIA. This stock follows NVIDIA's momentum, but I will tell you one thing that looks nice here is it is still in an uptrend, guys. Okay, it had a little blip here, little fake out. That's what I call a fake out. Okay, now I do want to see it go up more. I'd like to see it bounce off of here and at least retrace right back up to this resistance. Okay, come back down and then beat that resistance area here, which would show me that it is going to continue up. But like I always say, guys, charts don't lie. And I think we might be in a small rising wedge. We can still pop. Okay, there's a thing called flat top bottom. It might be forming a flat top bottom, but nonetheless, it could be falling. Who knows? Maybe it falls here. I'm keeping an eye on SMCI. Why? Because SMCI, if you guys play Strangles, this is a great stock to play Strangles. They have an amazing, huge ATR. That's what you need when you play Strangles. All right, let's cover AVGO, guys. If you are not in the bull ring, I will let you know that I called this out at about 1648, which is a level that had lots of resistance. Okay, and I'm going to mark that off really quick for you guys here. Okay, I was shorting AVGO for about 3 days. Okay. And then I saw the cloud flip, guys, and I said, time to change. Okay. After that, I said, look, guys, it's worth getting a call with time. And sure enough, some of us took advantage of it and we're on our way. Now, this is the time to be careful. Even though Pelosi bought this, okay, I'm not sure how long she's going to hold it. We are fibbing. Okay. What do I usually recommend here, guys? If you want to short a stock, okay, when you are at the fib level, okay, for 61, this is where I would start a short. Okay. I wouldn't do a stop loss that big on SMCI, depending on your portfolio. Okay. I could see it rejecting here and coming back down. Okay. So now if we get past 61, remember that is what is considered a full reversal. And we can go through this, and I'm going to show you, this is the bearish signs, what I just showed you. Now I'm going to show you the bull signs. Okay. You be the judge, because this is easy. If we went on to daily level, we can claim we have a bull flag going on. Okay. So this was the area it came out. So we could see 1826, just depending on what side you're on. Okay. I'm going to tell you that there's still room to run, but I am really going to focus on that fib level. We go past that fib level, guys, I'm going to hold my call. So I do have one call on AVGO. I will hold it if we continue past that fib level. If not, we reject. That's cool. I still have profits. I'll take it. And this is why we have SPY, guys. SPY continues to just head up like a bull. And check this out. Okay, we did find the support, the previous support from down there. And now we're back up here to previous resistance. I could see SPY coming down and testing this 537. Actually, let me call it up here, since we are up here, maybe around the 542 area, and then continue back up. Okay, all these stocks continue up, so they're going to take SPY with it. But something I want to point out to you guys on SPX. SPX has the same identical pattern, of course, as SPY, but I'm going to show you something you never ever look at, and you're going to thank me. Okay, and I'm not talking about the 200-day exponential moving average, guys. Okay, I want to show you something. The clouds gave me the hint, and this is what I see. Okay, now you guys tell me in the comments below, what do you think? So this is our longest green cloud before this one. Okay, that's our bull run, and I'm just going to measure this off right in here, guys. Okay, and if I go top to bottom, we're looking at about, let me move this over, 644 days with a $2,600 move up. Okay, now if you are thinking the way I think, okay, what do you think that we are doing again? Okay, look at this here. All right, let's just go 644 days, or we can just move it up to 2,600. I'll say the 644 days, and we'll park it right in there, guys. Okay, that looked like the 5,800 area that they are calling out. Okay, well, at least one guy I know that he's really good with SPX. He is calling it out, guys. 5,800 by the end of the year. Now, if you knew SPX was going to go up another $300, how much would you invest? Okay, now if you want to learn how to invest SPX long term with a hedge and protection, guys, click on the link below. I got a 4th of July special going on. Guys, take advantage. You're not going to get the courses any lower than this. People ask me in the past, hey, when are we going to see the courses again cheap? Today is the day, guys. You have until midnight. Okay, now reminder, guys, if you are finding value in these videos, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, smash that little bell so you guys know when these videos are coming out, and share it with your friends. I know you have friends that are trading. If you're trading, you got friends that are trading, guys. And I also have a special, guys. If you buy my bundle deal and you bring a friend with that bundle deal to buy another one, you get $100 off your bundle deal, guys. Okay, that is easy peasy money. Okay, 100. Let's see if this works. Yes. All right. $101, guys. All right, guys. Appreciate you tuning in and staying till the end. These are the stocks that are going to make the difference, in my opinion, in the next 30 days. Until the next video, take care.